be showing you today how to factory reset your Motorola G7. Locate the power button, volume up and down. Press the volume down along with the power button. When this comes up, just scroll down to recovery mode. Press the power button to select. When you see this screen, just wait for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, if it doesn't change screens, just press the power button along with the volume up and this will take a little bit longer than what I expected. So with this model, I had to press all 3 buttons along with the power, volume up and down. Now when you see this screen, scroll down, wipe data factory reset to select, press the power button, press yes to confirm, press the bottom option. Now your phone is factory resetting. When this come up, just press to restart. And that is it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.